Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and welcome to a Try This Tuesday. So it's Try This Tuesday, and this Tuesday I want you to try rolling like a ball into teaser, into jackknife, into rolling like a ball. It's a whole series. It makes the rolling exercises more fun, and I think for those of you who feel like teaser's just never in your wheelhouse, or you can't get your hips over your head, there is some elements of these exercises that all go together. And so if you can roll like a ball, you can eventually do these other things, right? So let's just play with that. You're gonna get on your mat and you're going to set up for rolling like a ball, right? And you'll just do a few rolling like a ball. So now remember, rolling like a ball, you don't collapse, right? Can't do that in your teaser or your jackknife either. So as I go back and forth, my feet don't get further away from my seat, and my knees don't come closer to my chest. So now I'm going to roll up, and I'm going to let go of my legs and reach forward into a teaser. Then I'm going to pull, not just collapse my feet, but pull into rolling like a ball. Teaser, pull. So as your legs go in and out, it's a contraction from your center and your seat. Now to do the jackknife, we'll just roll like a ball a couple times, and then I'm going to roll like a ball. When I go back, I'm going to set my arms down and lift my hips up. And again, set my arms down, lift my hips up. One more. Right now, I get to roll like a ball, teaser, roll like a ball, jackknife, roll like a ball, teaser, roll like a ball, jackknife. And each time my body gets more warm and I get more lift. And it's fun, right? So when you're taking class with me online at onlinepilatesclasses.com, if you're like, I just can't do jackknife, you could also roll like a ball and jackknife until one day you can just get your legs over and up, right? It takes time, you guys. This is a practice. So it means you actually just have to keep doing it. And then one day be like, whoa, that was easier than before. And it's pretty cool. So try this. Let me know how it goes. Take a video, post it on Instagram, tag me at lesley.logan so I can see how you're doing. I can see your progressions. I love doing these videos for you. So if you have any requests that you're having an exercise you're having trouble with, then put it in the comments below, because then I can try something for you to make it a little bit more successful. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.
Hi, I'm Meredith, and I'm one of the people creating onlinepilatesclasses.com. One of the things that I love most about this project is that we're building the very first free online catalog of Pilates exercise how-to videos. We release 3 new videos each week. People often leave comments asking Lesley to explain a specific exercise, and you can do that too. And if you love watching these videos and believe in the project of creating this catalog, you can support it by joining Lesley every week in her online mat and reformer classes. Just go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/subscribe.